Hello, I am Saksham Yadav from class 4 Turinus. Today I am doing a experiment of water, lemon and salt. First of all, we will take 2 glass of water and then mix up salt in 1 glass of water. That will see ki one glass of water is plain and second glass of water is salty water. Then we put the lemon in the 2 glass of water. It glass water sinks the lemon and we will pour the second lemon.
Yaptım. Kızım.
The second glass of water will float the lemon. Thank you.